Look at all these dogs in here. 1 dog, 2 dog, 3 dogs, and a Jamie. Alright guys, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, here is the Fit Eddie V3 frame that I'm working on. As you can see, it is completely stripped down. It is bare metal. Every little piece of this frame has been gone over meticulously, and it is ready for paint, or it is ready to be left raw. In this case, I want to paint it. I'm thinking of trans red, but I'm not going to make up my mind 100% until I get to the auto part shop. Once I get up there, I'll pick out a color for it, and first things first, we got to get to the post office. We'll get that done, then we'll go over there, check out some paint colors, get one, get back here, and start painting this frame. Find a parking spot. I hope this dude doesn't back out. No, it wouldn't back out on me. Okay, so about 35 minutes later, we're leaving the post office. That took forever. They only had 1 person working in there and a big line of people. As you can see, there are quite a few cars out here right now, and I don't know why they only have 1 person working in there, but it is what it is. Let's get to the auto parts store. I heard somewhere in the grapevine that people that vlog like to get coffee. I don't know if this is true or is this a myth. I don't know. Maybe I'll go get a coffee and I'll be like an official YouTube vlogger. Someone told me I'm not official if I don't drink coffee and vlog. So, let's see if this has any impact on the vlog for today. Got the gas and the coffee. Okay guys, so here's all of our different colors and whatnot. I was thinking about doing like a trans red. Thought that might look pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty nice. What do you guys think about that? That is a really pretty color. So is this blue. I like that. Huh. Oh my god. That is pretty dope right here too. That is really pretty. Oh man. Alright. I'm going to pick out a color and stay tuned. Alright guys, so got the spray paint and heading out of the auto parts store. See you later to the auto parts store, and let's get home and I will show you guys what color I picked. Bailey, say hi to the camera. Oh yeah, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi, Lou. Say hi, buddy. Oh yeah, look at these dogs. So, dun dun dun. Color reveal. Whoa, yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that in the light, guys. That is going to be so pretty. So pretty. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, let's get to work. Okay, I saved you guys all the boring part cleaning it. I basically took a toothbrush and some water and Dawn soap, scrubbed it all down to make sure that there's no oily residue left on it from my fingers or anything like that, and dried it all off. Let it sit around for a while, make sure that it really was dry, and now I'm painting.